Product marketing teams need video constantly. Launches, explainers, onboarding, sales follow-ups. The problem isn't ideas, it's the days lost to scripting, editing, and rendering. Ngram closes that gap. Bring what you already have: docs, URLs, screen recordings, images, or a rough voice note. Tell it the audience, the goal, and the length. Ngram handles the research, storyboarding, script, and voiceover. You review the plan before anything renders. Refine it in plain language, shorten a scene, rework the hook. No restarts. Rough screen recordings become polished walkthroughs with smart zoom, auto-cut dead air, callouts, and captions. Your brand kit stays consistent across 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. Minutes, not days. Control, not chaos. Craft, not generic. Head to ngram.com and turn your next idea into a video worth shipping.